I've done this e-learning only for 3 days, I must say. So it's something completely new to me. I actually came into this whole new platform with a lot of fear because as in anything new, I think all of us would fear the unknown. I didn't know what to expect, and I'm not sure if I'm going to get the kind of interaction that I would get with my students in a normal class setting. But after having gone through these 3 days of e-learning, I discovered that there are a lot of similarities, when we compare classroom interaction versus interaction online. For me, what I did was I actually got all my students to on the cameras, and I think that is very useful because I get to see their reaction. I get to see whether they are doing their work. So there's small amount of supervision actually involved, and should they want to maybe contribute to a discussion, or maybe if they want to ask a question, they will just wave at the camera. So I find that a lot of times I'm able to get response from them. I'm able to actually guide them, just like what we did in the classroom setting. So all in all, I find that this experience is new, but I feel that it's interesting because even the kids are very excited when they come on, and some of them actually even tell me what they know. For example, what they can do with the annotation function. So kids nowadays are very, very IT savvy, and I feel that there's a lot of sharing, and they are also teaching me. It also allows me to bond with them because now we have a new subject to talk about. So I feel that in terms of interaction and in terms of engagement, the new online platform is good. I've also actually gotten a lot of positive feedback from parents who actually highlighted that they are very grateful. They have this opportunity to get their kids online to learn and not to miss out, as we all know there are exams at the end of the year that the kids need to handle. And this idea of giving the kids a chance to learn online, it's win-win situation for the current situation, which means the kids get to learn and they can actually do it in the comfort of their own home.